It's time to check out the first layer 1 built from the ground up as an agent chain. This is what Youmio calls their layer 1 blockchain. We're gonna take a look at this and we're gonna check out the testnet, because if you did as I explained in my last video, then you probably minted this OpenSea captain's hat, and if you did this, then you're eligible to join the Youmio Testnet, because it's not open to everyone, but to everyone that minted this captain's hat, as I showed you in my previous OpenSea video. What's Youmio? You can read more about this. In this video, I really want to focus on the testnet and give you a easy and super fast step-by-step guide. You can go through all of this. All the links are down in the description. While you're down there, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you did not so far. But Youmio's ecosystem is powered by a layer 1 blockchain built to be the world's leading agent chain, so AI agents, supporting intelligent software agents as core network participants. You can click on learn more, then you can read about it here. And as I said, I don't want to go into too much details. This is the official X account. As I said, all the links are down in the description. We don't want to go into too much detail, just go. It's not open to everyone, but as I said, if you minted the hat, then you should be good to go. Let's try it out. We're gonna do this together. Let's click on enter testnet. And now we need to connect a wallet, set up your wallet and connect your accounts. I acknowledge that testnet tokens are for development purposes only and they do not have real value. This is something we love. If we want to try out new things, then testnet is great because we can just try out things. So you select your wallet. In my case, it's the Rebby wallet. It's just my favorite wallet. I ignore the warning. In that case, I connect. And now I need to add the Youmio testnet to my wallet. You can see this here. You can enter this. Should be exactly the same for MetaMask, Phantom, whatever EVM wallet you're using. And now the network has been switched. And now I want to claim testnet tokens. So let's click sign in. We want to sign this. And now we're able to claim YTEST. And as you can see, there's a daily limit, so we can go in here and do this on a daily basis. So here we go. We successfully claimed YTEST tokens, and now we can actually mint a Soulbound Badge. Let's do this. Soulbound means exactly what it says. You cannot transfer this. This is an NFT basically tied to your wallet, like a soul is tied to your body. So we minted this, and now our wallet does not only have the captain's hat, as I showed you. Oh, where did I show it? Here, this one, but we also have a soulbound token on the testnet from Youmio. This is already number 22,000, so lots of people already in there. You can also try out the Chrome extension. Not sure if it gives you any benefit. Always be careful with that kind of stuff. I, for example, will not install it, but it's completely up to you. You can see your stats on the testnet here, the testnet tokens, the badge status, the messages remaining, and the message limit reset, which resets soon. And now we're gonna go. Yo, welcome to the testnet, mint some tokens, and let's test this chain. All right, hi Limbo. What can I do to max out my Youmio testnet experience? Hey, if you want to max that Youmio testnet flag, start by planting your seeds in the garden. The more ancient and mythic seeds you plant, the more seeds. Don't forget to harvest that fruit every 7 days, or basically. And now we can click mint to chain, and we can also see that the messages remaining is only 14. So how do I do this exactly? So what you can do right now is basically chat here, claim your daily YTEST, and see the chats you minted. As you can see, it doesn't really work that well. So let's mint that chat to chain. It's on the testnet. It doesn't really make a lot of sense, but let's save it, because then we have some chats minted. Now that's good. So those are testnet interactions. We always want to have testnet interactions, and we don't want them just once, but on several occasions. I cannot find this tab. Please give me the exact link. And now we can see that the message limit reset has gone up. It's not as helpful as you might think, but we're just gonna go in here, mint this one anyways. So the chat is not as good, is my personal opinion, but we'll see. Just go in here, do some messages, mint some of them, and then this is all you can do for now on the testnet. If you own the NFTs on the ETH mainnet, then you can do more on the Youmio page with the inside the garden. But apart from that, this is all that you can do right now on the testnet. So go in here, set up your account, get in with the wallet that you have the captain's hat in, get some testnet tokens. You can do this on a daily basis, mint the Soulbound Badge, and do some chatting here, and then mint some chats. That's it for now. Let's see if this will grant you a nice airdrop. I will definitely follow along. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.